IWCS tutorial, iriComm 4.0 maintenance. A humid and salty environment is harsh on all types of equipment and requires maintenance after every use. Lack of proper maintenance may result in reduced performance, shorten the headset's lifetime, and may compromise the warranty. The wind muff collects moisture from the environment and from your breath. It should always be removed after use, then rinsed and dried properly. For hygiene reasons, it is recommended to keep multiple wind mufflers available when the device is shared between users. If the microphone has been exposed to a lot of salt water or dirt, it should be rinsed in a glass with lukewarm water. Gently swirl it around. Do not use high pressure. Make sure the microphone and wind muff are completely dry before putting the wind muff back on. Before initiating a charging session, make sure the charging connector is completely dry and free from water, salt, and other debris. Inside the connector, you will see 4 pogo pins. Make sure to keep them clean. Any residue stuck in the pogo pins may negatively affect performance and reliability. When not in use, store the connector in a dry, clean, and dust-free environment, protected from moisture, high temperatures, and direct sunlight. Keep the magnetic interface away from ferromagnetic materials. It is very important that the charging connector is kept clean and dry to prolong the lifetime. Use a cotton swab to gently clean and remove water or dirt. For extra cleaning, use anhydrous ethanol, isopropanol, on a lint-free cloth or a cotton swab. Allow the connector to air dry naturally for 10 minutes. Do not use high-temperature drying. When not charging, put the rubber lid back on the charging port. Ear pads can be replaced when worn out. Use your hands or fiber-safe tools to carefully remove the ear pads. When placing the ear pads back on, make sure to make it click at the top and bottom. Adjust the cleaning frequency according to the environment. For normal use, clean every 1 to 2 months. For outdoor use, clean every 1 to 2 weeks. Follow these steps to greatly increase the lifespan of your iriComm 4.0 headset.